What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It is the next day. We're on our way right now to check on the traps, and we'll see if we hopefully caught something so we can do the catch and cook. Alright, here's the first trap. Looks like nothing. All the corn's gone, look. Looks like something dug around it though. Gonna have to bring some more bait, put it in there, and hopefully we catch some more. Let's go check on the other ones. Looks like we got something here, boys. Look, right here. We caught a squirrel. Let's go. Squirrel catch and cook, baby. What's up, little dude? Looks like he's bleeding on his nose a little. He's been hitting the fence or the wire. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and dispatch this guy, and we'll meet you in the kitchen where we cook this guy up. Alright, so now we're in the kitchen, and here's the squirrel right here. We put it in some water to let all the blood like get out of the meat so it actually tastes good. And the ingredients that we're using is some seasoned flour and Frank's Red Hot. So I'm gonna cut this up, put it in the flour, put it in the Frank's, and we're gonna pan fry it in some oil. Alright, so I cut all this up, and what you want to do is take your little chunk of meat, put the seasoned flour, shake it up a little, extra salt coated, just like that. Then you put it in the Frank's hot sauce, mix it around, extra salt coated, really nice. And then place it on in the fryer. Just like that. Oil's popping, boys. Look at that, boys. Alright, we're gonna let them cool off a bit. They're still pretty hot. We'll see how they turned out. Alright, they've cooled down a bit. Cheers, boys. This is actually not that bad. It's not far off from chicken. It's just really hot. The hot sauce really makes it taste really good though. But till next time, peace.